Hello everyone. Today, Hatan will introduce the dish, salmon with mushroom sauce, a nutritious, delicious and very light dish. How to make ingredients: salmon fillet 300 grams, size 2 pieces. Fresh shiitake mushrooms or king oyster mushrooms 100 grams. Unsalted butter 30 grams, fresh cream 100 milliliters, garlic 3 cloves, minced. Herbs. 1 small pinch, parsley for decoration and fragrance. Seasoning, enough salt, ground black pepper, olive oil. Vegetables to eat with asparagus, boiled broccoli or mashed potatoes. Steps to make: wash the salmon under cold water, then use paper towels to dry both sides. Marinate the fish, sprinkle a sufficient amount of salt and ground black pepper on both sides of the fish. You can add a little olive oil and rub evenly. Heat the pan, place the pan on the stove, add a little olive oil and a small piece of unsalted butter and melt over medium-high heat. Pan fry, place the salmon in the pan skin side down. Pan fry for about 3 minutes until the skin turns golden brown and crispy. Flip the fish, turn the fish over and continue pan frying for about 2 minutes depending on the thickness. When the fish turns pink-orange and still has a medium pink inside, it is cooked through. Remove the fish to a plate and let it rest for a while you make the sauce. Sauté the garlic and mushrooms, add a piece of unsalted butter to the pan, melt it. Add the minced garlic and sauté until fragrant. Next, add the sliced mushrooms and sauté over medium heat. Add a little salt and pepper to keep the mushrooms from becoming bland. Sauté until the mushrooms are soft and have released all their moisture. Pour the heavy cream into the pan. Reduce the heat to low and simmer. Seasoning, add salt and pepper to taste. If you want the sauce to be thicker, you can cook it for a while longer to thicken it. Turn off the heat and sprinkle some chopped herbs into the sauce. Presentation and enjoyment: place the pan-seared salmon on a plate. Pour the warm creamy mushroom sauce over or around the fish. Garnish, sprinkle some chopped herbs on top of the fish and sauce. Enjoyment: this dish is best served hot, and can be served with rice, toast, salad, or steamed vegetables like asparagus, broccoli, or mashed potatoes. Things to note: pat the fish dry, always pat the salmon dry before pan-searing. The dry skin will help it to be crispy and not stick to the pan. How well the fish is done: salmon is very easy to overcook. Pansy quickly and check by pressing gently. Medium will be the most tender and juicy. If you like it well done, cook it for another minute. Using butter, unsalted butter helps the salmon have a distinctive aroma and a more beautiful golden color when pan-fried compared to using only cooking oil. Do not stir the mushrooms too much. When making the sauce, to let the mushrooms release their juices and cook evenly, you should not stir the mushrooms too much at the beginning. The thickness of the sauce: if you do not have fresh cream, you can replace it with fresh milk and add a little cornstarch, dissolved with cold water, to thicken the sauce. Wishing you success with this nutritious salmon with mushroom sauce. Salmon with mushroom sauce is the perfect combination of fatty salmon, rich in omega-3, and rich, fragrant mushroom cream sauce. This dish not only provides abundant nutrition but also has a delicate flavor, suitable for both cozy family dinners or special occasions. The salmon is pan-fried just right, retaining its natural moisture, combined with smooth mushroom sauce, creating an extremely satisfying and gentle culinary experience. Thank you so much for your support. Don't forget to watch the upcoming videos for more new recipes.